Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Alipearl here. I'm so excited. You see how buffy this box is? Yeah, that's how you know the wig is lit. So I'm here with this color again, but I'm happy because the length, we have some inches working with today, but we'll get into that in a few. What else I got in the box is this pair of lash hair. It's really nice. Oh, don't mind my nail. I'm gonna fix that in a few. Also, I got a nice headscarf. Really cute. Also got another like headscarf. You can use this on your edges, and it's branded Alipearl. I got a elastic band, a edge brush and comb, wig cap. Also have an information card here, and it has like hair care and stuff on it, so that's good. And they also put this drawstring bag in the box, which these always come in so handy because you can store your wigs in them after you wash them and that stuff. So yeah, that's everything that came in the box. So for today's hair, as I said, we're working with inches, working with 26 inches. It's a medium cap size, and it's 200% intensity for this wig. I know this is about to be lit. It has some weight to it, but I love it. This reminds me of a 30-inch 1B wig that I have. I showed you guys it some time ago. It came with a center part in there, but you can really part it anywhere you like. It's free part. It's a lace front wig, as I mentioned. It has 3 combs on the inside here and adjustable straps in the back. It looks good. I'm happy that it is a full-on lace front wig. I prefer lace front wigs, you know, any day. And it is pre-plucked. Always good to get a nice pre-plucked hairline, not too dense, so it don't come off so wiggy. Oh my gosh, I actually have a event tomorrow. I have a special occasion tomorrow, so this is what I'm gonna be rocking. I feel like for the weekend, this is so nice. You guys have seen me try this color a couple times, well, but for some reason I really like it, you know. I really like it. I love the street vibe and everything. So I'm going to put all the specifications again in the description box, so if you guys are interested, and the direct link to this wig. So if you want it, you could go ahead and get it. And as I said, this is 26 inches, but it really is looking like 28. I'm not going to lie, it's so nice, long and full. That luster, the movement, I know if you straighten this hair, how butter-like it's going to. So yeah, and right out the back, it does have flyaways. Let's see, check. No strand. One strand came out. No strand. So yeah, it's okay so far. Little bit of flyaway, but I'm sure when we tame it, curl it, or straighten it, whatever I decide to do, that will be the least. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into applying this. As I said, it's pre-plucked. It's not like heavily pre-plucked, but it was good enough once I kind of like got it laid and everything. You know, the regular. Today I actually opted to use glue though, not got to be, because I really planned on wearing this wig for like, you know, the weekend, the entire weekend. So I wanted it to last longer, the install to last longer. So glue is always a go. Yeah. Better off. I am wicked, you're insane, but I wouldn't have it any other way. If we're knocked out, we'll go the distance, pound for pound. We're a perfect match, pulling punches. We're toe to toe, we're always on the road. Worse or better, we can't stop. 'Cause together we're better off, and we can. I actually went in with the Kiss lace bond glue, and I actually really like using this one. I've used quite a couple of different brands of glues, and I just keep sticking to this one. There's others that I like, but for some reason this is just super convenient. You apply it and you wait until it dries clear before you actually apply the lace to it, because if you apply the lace to the glue before it's clear, then it will have a very cakey white look, and that will not look good at all. So try to not apply too much in the area all at once, and if you do, try to probably remove some of it with, like, you know, you see I'm using the fudge stick. You can scrape away some of it before it completely dries down. Once I did only 2 layers for this install. That's a pretty moderate duration. If you want it to last longer, like say you want the wig to last a week, I'd say you could go up to like 7 layers. If you sweat a lot, you might want to do more layers as well. It depends on the activities that you'll be engaging in and all that stuff. So usually though, I'd say for a standard install, do 3, but I was just being lazy and I only did 2. But it held up okay. I cut the lace in 3 sections, as you notice, because this way it was easier for me to kind of control the way I laid it, as opposed to just doing one thing right around my hairline, and then, you know, it would be too much for me to lay. It was way easier. It was way more simple. It's way more simplified when you section it like that. And can I tell you, whenever I use a lace glue to install my wigs, it's like it gives my face this lift, like my brows and my eyes, I don't know, because that hold from the glue, it just lifts my face right there, and it's just, I love it actually.
Better off, better off, better off. I am
no, I went over that with my elastic band, and I held it over it for like 2 minutes. This helps to further kind of just melt everything in and make it looks really flat, really, you know, flawless, like really, really nice. So I always love doing that step with the elastic band. Yeah. So I didn't even have to go in and reapply any glue to any like free edge, because sometimes you'll have like a piece of edge that needs more glue or something. I didn't have that problem. It was holding up really nicely. So this is where I proceeded to make my swoop. You don't have to do this if you don't want. You know, I have videos where I do baby hairs, videos where I don't do baby hairs. It's all up to you. I like to give you guys variety. My preference is always to do swoop sometimes, though sometimes I just do it all pulled back, but today I'm definitely doing swoops. And yeah, I'm using my hot comb here, because having your hot comb is a must to lay your wigs. Like, one time gone, I never used to use my hot comb this much, but your wig, if your wig just have to be laid, like, it makes everything look way better, way more realistic, and yeah, it just looks way better. So you saw where I went in a little bit with my tweezer and I actually tweezed away some off the front there where I'm making my swoops, to give it a little bit more graduation. But yeah, you don't have to do this if you don't want. As I said before, you don't even have to make your swoops this thick as I did, but this is what I did. Okay, you do what floats your boat and what you like.
Get your clean cuts. I'm wide-eyed, your eyes are shut. If I'm knocked out, I'll go the distance.
Then after I'm done with that, that's how it looks. I then went on to because it's a center part, I further went into pressing, like hot combing the rest of the hair there. And the white residue that you guys saw in the previous clip is from my Got to Be glued wax. I don't use it a lot, but it's a cool product. I mean, I use it to kind of really lay the flyaways at the top there. Yeah, it was cool. It got the job done. So after I'm done with that, I proceeded to just flat ironing the hair, and it was really silky, really easy to just get through. The hair is already straight, so it's really not a hassle to get it even more straight. And before I even went into straightening it, it was already good enough. So if you're having a lazy day, you don't feel like doing it right away, you could get away with it. Actually, after this day when I installed it, I actually curled it up the other day. But yeah, I was just so tempted to straighten it though, because the streaks and the color, it's just gorgeous. But yeah, this was pretty much it for the install, really nice. It was really easy to work with.
Pound for pound, we're a perfect match, pulling punches, toe to toe, we're always on the road. Worse or better, we can't stop, cause together we're better off, and we can.
It's really nice. I did go in and do some layers in the front. I don't know, but I love this color, the color combo, the highlighted look since recently, and I know you guys love it too. This is really long though. I'm 5'1", please bear that in mind again. But I feel like it gave me a little bit more on this 26-inch. This feels very much like 28, so that's really good. That's really good. Let me know what you guys think about it down below. Also, if you're wondering what I used to lay the top of the wig hair, I did use my wax, but I went in with some of the Got To Be glued spray wax. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in the description box, so go ahead and check it out as usual. Yeah guys, that's it for today's wig look. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up for yourself. Bye.
Yeah. Better off. I am wicked, you're insane. But